ShadowTraffic Studio is finally here. It's an in-browser visual assist for building synthetic data flows, and it's the companion to ShadowTraffic itself. Just launch ShadowTraffic with -- with Studio, and you get this nice UI forwarded from the container right into your browser. I want to show you 3 things that you can do with ShadowTraffic Studio that are kind of tricky to do with the command line. The first is looking at relationships between data. You might have a relationship between users and organizations, and here we see an org ID on this particular record. I can just click with show origins and actually see where that particular data came from. So now I can trace that the 14th event has a specific org ID, and it came from the 6th event, which shares the same ID, and I can trace all the way back there in the timeline to look at it individually. This is super useful for making sure that your generated data is correct and exactly how you intend. The second thing that I want to show you are forked timelines. Fork is a construct in ShadowTraffic that lets you parallelize different data generators, and in this case I've parallelized the logins generator along different UUIDs. In the command line, this will all just look the same to you, but actually what you want to often do is look at the individual timelines for different login sessions, and ShadowTraffic Studio parallelizes this and puts it in their own timeline so that they're really, really easy to read. And then the last thing I want to show you is that you can just click on the gear icon on any of these and look at the compressed and merged configuration for any generator. So I can see that the fork stagger rate for logins is going to run every 200 milliseconds, and you actually see this reflected out in the browser. And so hopefully this helps you build ShadowTraffic programs and do it a lot easier than doing it all by hand on the command line. Just save the file, and this browser will automatically be hot reloaded with all of your results every time.